consumers that need tailors and can't get them on time. And there are tailors who need more work. After seeing this problem and experiencing it myself, I thought to come up with a solution. So I conducted a market research, out of which I understood that 60% of the people go to a tailor quarterly. Moreover, 60% said that they had difficulty in finding a tailor. Taking these concerns, I founded Threads and Needles, a doorstep tailoring service that allows you to book tailoring services at your doorstep. Namaste, I am Sharash Srivastava and today I will be briefing you through my idea. We provide doorstep tailoring services for alteration, stitching a new garment or actually designing a new bespoke garment by some good tailor. Our USP is something extremely good because we are planning to make this big. We want to make this a platform with which each and every tailor of India can come and enroll so they get more opportunities. And the turnaround time for the tailor is what sets it even apart. For alterations, the tailor is going to come back to you with the altered material within 1 day. It clearly sets us apart from the competition. So how does it work? For the tailor, he's going to go to our website, he's going to enter his details, then we're going to do a KYC verification for him, and then he's going to get the payment from us after 20% cut that we take from it via profit. For the user, he's going to go to a website and then he's going to enter the same credentials and he's going to tell us what he wants to be done, and then our website is going to find the nearest tailor to him through a network. Also, you can rate your tailor, which actually helps in giving what's experience to the other ones. For our marketing plan, we're going to do extensive digital marketing on social media platforms as well as posting posters and RWs in societies to spread the word. Our economics is for year 1 FY24, we're going to spend around 4,80,000 on the domain, the website development and marketing to get the tailors and the people on board so that we can increase the scale of this as well as hire some people to make this even bigger. Our revenue projections for FY24 targeting 5,000 customers and a 60% return rate for the customers throughout the year will be 26 lakh rupees, and we have a net profit of 2%, which including 20% cut that we take. Give us a profit of 41,000 rupees for the first year, which is FY24. Thank you, and for any details, you can contact us in Just one thing, I will also mention our future goals is making this with the B2B sector as well, as we also are working on an offer with some companies so that we can take this even further. Thank you.